So today we are going to do the paper February March 2016. We'll be doing the spreadsheet task of this paper. The spreadsheet is in task 3. So from here starts task 3. Task 3 spreadsheet. You are going to prepare a spreadsheet model to calculate the travel cost of your property. All currency values are in Indian rupees to two decimal places. Question 1. Create and format a spreadsheet that looks like this. So this is the screenshot of the spreadsheet that we have to create. So open a new spreadsheet, that is Microsoft Excel. You have to type this, and this should be spread over A, B, C, D, E, 5 columns. And here you can see it, all these cells are made into one single cell. These are merged together and it's made to the center. And the C approximately appears between column A and B and D and E. So just merge all the 5 columns together, merge and center. The background color is given as black and the font color is given as white. It's made bold. Okay. Now row 2. More than half the row 2 is not visible. So we are going to decrease the row height like this. Then in row 3, property ID in column A, location, price, distance in kilometer, travel cost. Here property ID, location, price, distance in kilometer, travel cost. So to make it fully visible, just select, double click anywhere. So this is fully visible. And this one, these are made to italic and it seems bold. So again, select these, italic, bold. Okay. And these are given a light gray background like this. Save the spreadsheet with a file name M16 underscore your center number and the candidate number. So go to file, save as, find out your folder, save it as M16 underscore your center number, candidate number. Place an automated file name which includes file path on the left in the header. So again go to insert, header, so the left side, file path. Got the file path, just like anywhere outside you can see the file path here. Go to view, go to normal view, done. Take a screenshot showing the cells A1 to E3 of your spreadsheet, including the row and column headings. Place this in your evidence document. Just increase the zoom. Just going to take the screenshot of this one, including the row and column headings. So to make that visible, I'll just go here, headings. I can get the screenshot from here. Just take a screenshot and paste it in your evidence document. Cut the unnecessary parts. Okay, it's done. Now the next one. Insert two new columns between columns C and D. So take the Excel sheet. Between these two, you need to insert two columns. We inserted two columns between C and D. Edit the spreadsheet so that it looks like this. So in that two columns, you are going to insert area and price per square meter. Here, area, and here, price per square meter. And it should look like this. Property ID, price per square meter should be like this. Just click here, do wrap text, price per square meter, distance in kilometer, travel cost. All these are center aligned. Now, so just select all this, make it center aligned. And row 4, travel cost also should be text wrap. Just click here, wrap text. So adjust the column width of your spreadsheet so that it looks like what is given in the question paper. And here, C starting from B, the letter B, and it ends almost between E and F. E and F, so that is fine. And row 4 also, it's more than half is not visible. Just decrease the row height of row 4. Like this. Take a screenshot showing the cells A1 to G5 of the spreadsheet, including row and column headings. Place this in the evidence document. Again, the same thing. Go to File, Print. You can get the screenshot here. Just go to take the print screen. It's in the evidence document. So that's it. So this is how you need to save your spreadsheet. So the next questions will be done in the next video.